Do you and your spouse have a joint medical aid, but you're not sure what will happen to it on divorce? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm a family attorney. In this series of talks, I've been looking at the financial consequences of divorce and the issues you need to consider when getting divorced. I've covered the role of the matrimonial regime in your divorce settlement, pension splitting, and maintenance. Now I'm going to talk to you about a more sensitive topic: health and end-of-life considerations. Firstly, your will. It is absolutely imperative that you update your will when you divorce. Most spouses have reciprocal wills. The majority of assets are left to the surviving spouse, whoever dies first. If you do not change your will, this will still happen, even after you are divorced. The law grants a small grace period following divorce, whereby if you neglect to update your will and die within 3 months of divorce, your spouse will not inherit from you. After 3 months, if you haven't changed your will, the court assumes you intend your ex-spouse to inherit your estate. So it's important to prioritize updating your will in the divorce process. If you don't have a will, I recommend making one, especially if you have children. I'll explain the reason for that in the last talk in the series. You also need to look at life cover and health insurance provisions. Once you are divorced, unless required by the divorce settlement, you probably don't want your ex-spouse to be the beneficiary of your life insurance on your death. The value of your assets and liabilities will also be different, so it's time to reassess your life cover. If you have children, both you and your ex should have adequate life cover to meet the needs of your children in the unfortunate event that you die before they reach majority. When it comes to healthcare, if you're on your spouse's medical aid, unless the divorce order mandates that to continue, you will need to register as the principal member of the medical aid in your own right. If you are the principal member and your spouse is coming off your plan, ensure your account is brought up to date with your medical aid provider. Either way, it's a chance to review your healthcare needs in terms of health status, chronic conditions, affordability, and accessibility to networks. Even if money is tight, don't be tempted to cancel medical cover. At the very least, maintain basic hospital cover. This will protect you in case of an accident. If you and your ex-spouse had joint gap cover, take out a policy in your name. Whatever you do, avoid interrupting your membership of both medical aid and gap cover, or you may be subject to a waiting period if you want to rejoin later. The divorce process is complex. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie still have not finalized their divorce after 6 years because they can't agree on child custody issues and division of assets. Most of us don't have a vineyard in France or the level of wealth of Brad and Angelina, and a divorce should be concluded much more quickly than theirs. But it's still vital that you pay close attention to your finances as you go through proceedings. Your attorney will help you, but you need to help them by fully disclosing all policies and plans in place. If you have any questions about divorce and your will, medical aid or life insurance, or any other of the topics I've covered in these talks, please give me a call on the number in the signature below.